This is the Christopher Ward C60 Trident Ombre COSC. It's the limited edition model. We're going to crack her open. Alright, so bottom of the box, paperwork, and little serialization information. Probably just a packing slip. And a little sleeve over the box. Ooh. There we go. So wood base and what feels like kind of a pleather, fake leather casing. And here, some more Christopher Ward marketing material, owner's guide, microfiber cloth, Christopher Ward logo. And then there she is. So let's get the plastic off of this. So this is the 42mm version, the ombre, which is a little difficult to see. In the photos that they put on the website, it is really blown out, and so you can see the dial, and the dial is scratched, but in person it's much more just a black with gray tints to it kind of a dial, and then every once in a while it catches the light and you can see that scratched surface. It's got a ceramic bezel insert and fully loomed, and supposedly they worked really hard on the sound. This is the one with the micro adjustable clasp. So inside here, see if we get the focus. You can see that there's this little latch here, and this little latch is for adjusting tiny little bits throughout the day. So this essentially this amount of travel can happen with that clasp. Let's get all the plastics off and take another look. One of the party tricks of this watch is that it has these quick release latches on the inside of the clasp, and so, or on the inside of the bracelet. And so if we just squeeze those little guys, it comes right off, and you can see the case back there. So this is rated to 600 meters, which is pretty excessive. This is the new light catcher case, and so you can see there all those little reflections in the bevels, polished underneath and brushed straight in the center there. And then it really takes down, if you look at the previous model, it really takes down the amount of kind of block that you get on the side there. So it's going to be a better fit, better conforming to your wrist. When I was looking at this, I was really trying to decide between the 40 and the 42 millimeter, and got an opportunity to see them at the Wind Up Watch Fair by Worn and Wound. And this one was really, it just stuck out to me. It was a really obvious choice at that point. And so, here we are. It's the screw down crown. Obviously hacking, hand winding. Actually feels really good. There's a lot of good amount of resistance in that. While setting, there's a date change. One thing that is a little disappointing out of the box is that it is a pin and collar adjustable link system. And so something that would have really put this guy over the top is having screw links, which you can get on a lot of bracelets now, but you know, for the price point and for its depth rating and being a chronometer. So that's what this model happens to be, the COSC model. You know, really not much to complain about. And so there's your unboxing. Thanks for watching.